How to do knot locks for beginners. Let's go.
Sis.
Okay, for this style, I'm going to be using Expression, Twist Up, Springy Afro Twist, and a number 2. So go ahead and screenshot that.
Okay.
And what you do, you're going to separate the ends first because the end have a little coil to it. So you're going to separate the ends so it won't get tangly. You're going to cut it in half. And you're going to split that in 2 pieces. So you're going to take 1/2 and you're going to crochet it sideways, preferably at the top of the braid, close to the top, and you're going to latch hook it through, all right?
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. You did this in your 2-strand twist video.
Yep. Okay, so grab all the hair all together, and then you're going to get the second piece, and you're going to latch hook that piece straight down the middle from the top to the bottom. All right. Put the hair in the latch hook, close it, pull it through the braid, bing. Okay, so after you got your hair installed, you're going to start twisting it, okay? So the key to this is you're going to hide the braid inside of the springy hair. So once you hide the braid, you're going to continue the 2-strand twist all the way down.
Hold on. So is these individual locks or 2-strand twist, Signalese twist? What's going on?
Now, this is my version of doing the individual locks. Some people do it by 2s and they kind of split it in half and it look like a claw. But I don't want mine to look like a claw. So I'm going to do it this way, an individual. And then I'm going to twist the individual boxes to make it seem like it's one twist without 2 locks put together. Get it?
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now since you twist it all the way to the end, you're going to look around and make sure it's nice and invisible. No knots. Good. Now you're going to start with your knot locks. Okay? First, you're going to choose which length you're going to stop it at. And then you're going to twist the hair around from the top to the bottom. So, in this case, she's getting the bob style. So I'm going to make them shorter in the back and longer in the front.
Oh, okay.
After you twist it all the way down, you're going to either lock it with the hair itself or you're going to put a rubber band on it and you're done. Thanks for watching.